This is a 2015 Tahoe. The infotainment system is not working, and I am going to show you a very quick fix. As a demonstration, if I try and start up my Tahoe, you'll see that my infotainment system does not work. It will go up and down, but the screen will not come on. So here's a quick fix for that situation. Loosen the nut and remove the negative battery terminal so that it's off that peg, and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes, so I'm now tightening. I've got my terminal back on. So we'll get in the car, start this thing up, see if it works. And actually, I haven't even started the car yet, and I know it's fixed because the screen went on. So that's it. Disconnect the negative battery terminal, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and that'll reset the car computer. And just so everybody knows, I have taken apart the dashboard. I looked at different computer consoles, HDMI cables inside the glove compartment. Before you start tearing your car apart or taking it into the shop and getting a bill, disconnect that negative battery terminal, let it sit for 10 minutes, and you'll probably, well, there's a good chance you might get your system back up and running. Have a good day, everybody.